How to change your display name in the Roblox application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change your display name in Roblox in an Android device. So as here you can see, I have my Roblox application right here. So simply launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once the application launches up, you will see an interface like this. Now in this particular interface you can see your avatar right here, so simply click onto this profile picture, and now you can see this is your avatar and here is your display name. So in order to change the display name, simply tap onto the display name and then you can change your display name according to your particular preference. So let's say I want to keep my display name this, so simply click onto the save button and then you can see this message that says display name saved. So it might take a while to reload, and now you can see that my new display name is being successfully reflected right here, and after some while it will also start to reflect here, as you can see. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.